Welcome back to Pre-Algebra. We are moving on to lesson 82 today, which is on the multiplication and division of signed numbers. Now, a little while back, we did addition and subtraction of signed numbers. We said that as long as you know the rules for adding and subtracting signed numbers, it's very easy. We said those rules are that when you are adding numbers with the same sign, you keep the sign and you add normally. When you are adding numbers with different signs, you take the sign of the bigger number and you subtract. And that works all the time. Now, for today, we're doing some multiplication and division. And again, there are a couple of rules that go along with this. As long as you follow these rules, you will get them right every single time. The important thing is to remember that it's a different set of rules for adding and subtracting and a different set of rules for multiplying and dividing. So we're doing the multiplication and division rules today. They are put in a little box on page 231 there, but they're very, very simple. Basically, if you multiply two numbers with the same sign, it is always going to come out to a positive answer. So if you multiply two positives, you'll get a positive. If you multiply two negatives, you'll get a positive. So same sign, multiplying and dividing, always going to give you a positive answer. If you have different signs, a positive and a negative, it's always going to give you a negative answer. So when you multiply or divide different signs, you'll always get a negative answer. This is when we're multiplying or dividing two numbers. So I've got example 1 here. These are multiplication problems. We'll use the rule. Other than that, you multiply normally. So for A, we've got positive 4 times positive 2. Same signs, always will give you a positive answer. Positive 8. 4 times 2 is 8. The next one is negative 4 times negative 2. The same sign is always going to give you a positive answer. So this is also positive 8. And then we have negative 4 times positive 2. Different signs will give you a negative answer, so negative 8. And then same thing on the last one, positive 4 times negative 2. Different signs will give you a negative answer. So the rule works there. The exact same rule applies to division, which is example 2 right here. They wrote these division problems a little differently than how we normally do. They wrote it kind of like a fraction, top number divided by bottom number, but it's still a division problem and the same rules still apply. So for example A here, we've got 8 divided by 2. Same signs, positive answer, positive 4. Then we've got negative 8 divided by negative 2. Again, same signs, positive answer, positive 4. Then we've got a positive 8 divided by a negative 2. So we have different signs, so we get a negative answer, negative 4. And then we've got negative 8 divided by positive 2. Again, different signs will give us a negative answer, negative 4. So it's a really simple set of rules, y'all. When you're multiplying and dividing, if you have the same signs, you're going to get a positive answer. If you have different signs, you'll get a negative answer. Other than that, you multiply and you divide normally. So this is a really easy lesson here. Y'all will go ahead and work on lesson 82. Good luck on it. If you have any questions, you can hit me up in the comments here, and y'all take it easy.